Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out from your Robinhood account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in robinhood.com at the URL bar. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see Account option. Click on it. Then, you will find Logout option here. Click on it to log out from your account. You can also log out from your account settings. Open up this account settings option and make sure that you are on settings option here. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see a logout link. Click here to log out from your account. To log back in, simply type in your email address and password here and click on login button. So that is how you can log out from your Robinhood account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.